Hello, my name is Georgina Freeman and I'm an Operations Relationship Manager in the Customer Network Services team at NBN. I've been at NBN for nearly 11 years now and I've watched the company grow and expand to the reliable network that it is today. In my nominal role, I work with one of our biggest RSPs. I provide support, education and governance for their enterprise and small business segments, as well as their wholesale and media and government relations. When I'm not working away and meeting with my RSP, I'm heading up the NBN Pride Committee in the role of co-chair. This is a fabulous opportunity that I've been given by NBN to be able to lead and champion diversity and inclusion with my peers and across the business. We get to chat to customers and hear about their NBN experience. In my downtime, I enjoy cooking. I love to chase the morning sun with my swimming group from the beautiful Bellarine Peninsula where I live. I like to get about and travel, and when I'm not doing any of that, I'm also a marriage celebrant on the side. I live in a beautiful location with many beautiful places where we can celebrate love.